Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today is June 17 on Tuesday, and again I'm gonna in the MES September contract or MESU for 2025, and again after the market open 15 minutes or like not 9:45, we're gonna do the same thing, exact the same thing every day. So we're gonna mark up the high and low of the 15-minute candle for high and low, and we're gonna wait for the price either like go up and break above our level or break below our level here. So yeah, as you can see, I do both of the MES and MNQ as well. So to see which one is better to be trading, or like which one should I trade in terms of the risk reward, or in terms of the point that the price can move. Yeah, and as you can see like on the screen here, I just type like wait for the price to break either top or bottom, and from now I'm gonna put the fast forward and see what happened. Yeah, I just see something interesting here. So one thing, when you do like day trading, you have to mark your zone or um your range for your trade. And as you can see here, I also mark the green, like green, highlight in green and highlight in red, to tell myself or to remind myself that when the price go to that zone, price might react something, or like might like go up like strongly, or like go down strongly, or like got some sell off. So it's just like, just wanna give you guys some listen for that. So every day when you trade, or like when you in front of the computer or on your chart, please make sure you mark those price. So I would say like it depends on how you see the price action. For me, I'm scared of that zone, on the red zone. I'm scared that so I'm scared that when the price go to that zone, we might got like sell off immediately, or if I on the buy position, I go long, and when price go to that zone, this kind of thing remind myself that like I have to cross this out, and they just wait for the price to act. I might get like little of the profit, but trust me, I save a lot. I mean, like I save from like my emotional, or either like my panic buy or panic sell at that time when it come. So just my opinion, because like I went through it a lot, so I have to like have something to remind myself for that. So yeah, right, and
Hope
now
you
it's
learn something
10
from this.
o'clock on the video here, and another 15-minute candle just crossed, and it's really good green. But just one thing to concern me, that it has like the bottom wick that too long for me, just for me. So only my opinion there. But from now we're gonna wait for the 5-minute candle, to be crossed and then tell us it's confirmed to be buy or is confirmed to long here. So we will see what happened, and then I'm gonna fast forward again. Let's see if we can go in this trade that fast or no. And as you can see, the 5 minute candle just crossed in green and above our um, upper zone. I mean, like our 15-minute high of the opening, and we just press the long right away right here, and then just put the stop loss below the first red candle that we see. If we look left, and since we sitting in front of the chart and in front of the computer, we're gonna cross our position by hand. So as you can see, I just move my table feet up there, so in case that like price react like some way we don't expect. And I'm gonna go fast forward to see what happened or what market move or like what market give us. Alright, and now the third 15 minutes candle of the day just closed, and it closed in a long like green candle, but and again it's the same as the 5 minute. It has like a long wick down there, which is like concern me a little bit. But since we use this setup and then it's this 15 minute just confirm us like to do buy, we're gonna stay in this position longer, and then just while we monitor another market as well, like a MNQ, MYM, to see. As you can see here, I also went to the MNQ to see like if it also confirm me or no, and then it's just said yes on MNQ, and then just like wait for the price to move into our red zone, and we might like zoom into that zone when we wanna cross the position. But for now, I'm gonna move fast forward for the video to see how price move on this day. Alright, and here's again. It's a good thing when you mark the zone for yourself, and to remind yourself, as you can see, I mark the green zone here, and when I go down to 5 minute candles, it shows some weakness for me. It's like told me that the position that I have, I might lose it, and it's to be good to be prepared to cross or like minimize this loss. And as you can see, the 15-minute candle also shows some weakness as well, but it's not closed yet, so we have to see the confirmation from this candle to be closed. And as you can see on the video screen here, so we wait for this 15-minute candle to cross. If it's crossing late, we're gonna out of this position right away. And yeah, like I said, the 15-minute candle about to close, and it's sure enough to be red that we talk about. If it's crossed in red, we're gonna close our position to minimize our loss. So as you can see, just like boom, and then just out of the position, and then as you can see, we are out of the first position of first trade of the day, and we lost only $12 for that, which is I think is acceptable for me. And then we're gonna look for another trade for today, but we have to let the setup come to us first before going or before pressing any trade or any position, and we will see. Yeah, and now I went to the MYM, the future contract for the Dow Jones E-mini, and then I just spot the 15-minute candle mother bar cross below the previous one, and just went sell for that. And as you can see, I put the take profit on the bottom wick. I mean on the first low that we will see on the left, and put my stop loss just right above of the open of the previous 15-minute candle. And yeah, and the reason why I took this trade is just like two confirmation for me. First is, like I said, is a bearish mother bar for 15 minutes, and the if you look on the left here, you can see the fair value gap at the 42 800 something on the left. And yeah, that is it, and we will see what price move or how we manage this. And when I just measure this, is kind of like we have like just small loss, and we kind of like get a big win for that. That's why I took this trade too. So yeah, we will see. Yeah, and now we come back to MYM again after the multiple candle cross. And as you can see, we're about to lose the second trade of the day. And you might already know on the video when I this the fast forward, I went through a lot of the pair like MNQ, MES to see like which one is has a good setup for me to go in a position. And as you can see, like nothing good for me to put a position. And so right now we're about to lose the second trade again, and as you can see, it's just like small loss for like $30 something. Could be 32 or 33, I suppose. But for me, this trade, I'm gonna like let it play out. I'm not gonna close it by hand. So, and yeah, and we will see in short period of time, I suppose. Just like a couple points away. I remember losing this one, but yeah, it is what it is. It was 32, suppose 33. Boom. And then we just lost the second one. And if we press the first one, so far at 1107, we lost about the 12 plus 33. It's $45 already. And we will see if we have a good setup for another pair or no. But so far, after market open, what, an hour and a half, we lost like $45 already, and we will see if we can find the trade or the third trade for the day. And now as we can see the 15-minute candle about to cross with a good push up, like a long green candle up. And when we zoom into 5-minute candles, it's no any red candle for that. It's like just three consecutive green candle for that. And I'm gonna go long again, or I'm gonna go buy again for this third position after I measure the RR or risk reward ratio. So as you can see on the screen here, put the buy at that level that I just measured, and the stop loss on the close of the red candle, and put the 2R for the position, and we will see price come down to my position. Oh no. Yeah, I also put a note to remind myself when I come back to see a video too, as like set my limit buy with 2R, something like that, that you can see. And here you go, the price just came down and then hit my buy stop, I mean buy limit for my position. And I'm gonna go fast forward again to see how the price pay out. Alright, and as you can see here, we're gonna lose another trade, which is the third one for today. And yeah, I already put the memo for myself too. This gonna be a last one for today. That's my rules. If I if I lose like three consecutive position, I'm gonna call it a day. And then as you can see, we're about to lose. Yeah, and there you go. It's $65 for that. Combined with the two position before, 45 plus 65, it's gonna be 110. So in conclusion, today we lose 110, but is this okay compared with the other day that we just got like 200 something? thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.